Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. I've got one more box opening tonight. This is actually my watchgang black membership watch for January 2019, first watch of the year. Before we get to that, you'll see that I am still wearing that Herder Morrison. I just did the follow-up on this one a little bit ago. If you want more info on that, I'll put the link below. Also guys, if you're wondering why I've been so busy or not making as many videos, I've got another channel going on where I'm working on some of my car projects. If you want to check that one out, I will put the link below as well. Let's see what we got this month from watchgang. If you guys know or follow me, you know the watchgang black membership is the $99 membership with watchgang. It looks like I got a Melbourne, which I am probably going to be happy with. I actually got a Melbourne on the platinum subscription, so it'll be interesting to see what we've got on the black tier level. So it looks like we've got a list of our winners for Rolex, Seiko, and Tag. Some info on the exchange page. Just one of their basic things. Let's check out this Melbourne. All right. Wow, it's a pretty heavy duty piece there. I actually like the case. Not so sure. You know, it'd be nice to almost have a black case for a little contrast on the dial, because the dial is so silver white that it washes a little bit. Looks like we got a logoed crown, logoed buckle. Probably not going to go super deep on this one because it's just the initial. Looks like we got push button clasp there. Ooh, let's take a look, see if what info's on there. Everyone always hounds me because I don't show the tag, or I forget to show the tag, I should say. Making these videos, you always forget something or feel like you forget something. I do like that red second hand. With how clean and simple the coloring is on that dial, that red second hand actually just really pops. Nice looking case, nice looking bracelet. You know, so far I don't know too much about this particular model, so I couldn't give you any values or anything on it, but this was my $99 tier level watch, and I like the look of it so far. So it'll be interesting to see what I find out, and I'll do my usual, wear it for a little bit and give you my thoughts on a later date on a follow-up video. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always guys, thanks for watching.